Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of our trade-in 2017 Grady-White 306 Canyon. The outside hull color is sand. This boat is powered by twin Yamaha 300 4-stroke engines. Come through the walkthrough transom, you'll see a freshwater sprayer. Very large fish box on the transom. Over here you'll have your raw water washdown and your dual battery switches. Here you'll have a live well, a prep station with fresh water, tackle that is lockable, and for your lures on this side. As we make our way forward, this does have lockable rod holders, multiple drawers, here at the helm you've got the upgraded helm chairs with the flip-up bolsters, digital Yamaha gauge, Garmin GPS, standard Horizon VHF Marine radio, trim tabs with indicator, digital throttle shift, a Ritchie compass, and a Fusion stereo. Up top you'll see electronics box, storage netting, molded in hardtop lights, and speakers. Coming around to a very spacious head compartment. And forward, freshwater washdown, raw water washdown, plenty of bow seating, and anchor windlass system. This completes the walkthrough of the 2017 Grady-White 306 Canyon. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.